Common understanding is the key to successful cooperation. Would you like to secure your company's future success? Develop new solutions faster? Solve problems? Seize new business opportunities? Fresh ideas keep you ahead of your competitors. Startups are agile and have disruptive ideas and technologies. They need lead customers to help develop their solutions further. Bigger companies have the resources, capabilities, and customer insight. Fair collaboration can open new business possibilities for both. There are different methods and tools for collaboration, and you can start light. One way to go forward is an event where you ask participants to generate ideas for your development needs. Or you can try collaboration with university students. There are several ways. Find the one that suits your needs. When you see the benefits, the more you'll commit. And the more you commit, the more you can gain. Why not try a pilot project with a startup that has the experience you need? And finally, when you co-create a new solution that boosts your business, you will only wonder why you didn't do this earlier.